In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Steam library folder in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, you need to open up your Steam application. Now, if you're already logged in, great, you can skip the next couple of steps. If not, go ahead and click on Login. Once you're at the login screen, you'll need to enter your account name and password. Make sure you've entered these details correctly and then click on Sign In. After you've signed in, you'll find yourself on your Steam homepage. What you need to do next is locate the Steam option on the top left corner of the interface. Click on it and a drop down menu will appear. Here, look for settings and give it a click. Why all this navigation just to find a folder, you might wonder? Well, Steam organizes its settings in such a way that once you get the hang of it, it becomes effortless to manage your games and libraries. So now you're in the settings menu. What you want to do next is locate the storage tab. After clicking on storage, you'll see a list of your available drives. Click on the drive where your Steam games are installed. This setup might vary depending on how you initially installed your games or if you've customized it at any point. When you click on your drive, the File Explorer will pop up automatically. And there you have it, it's opened right to your Steam folders. This is where all your games are stored. Navigating to this folder allows you to directly manage your Steam game files, whether you want to move, back up, or inspect them. While the process might seem a tad convoluted at first, knowing exactly where your games live on your computer opens up a world of customization and control over how you manage your games and data. Remember, knowing how to swiftly access your Steam library folder is a handy skill, especially if you need to troubleshoot game installs or free up space by moving files around. And there you have it, finding your Steam library folder is as simple as knowing your way around the settings. So the next time you need to make changes or check on your games, you'll know exactly how to get there quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.